Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Patra, and this is where we discuss everything about the stock market opening action. Another week has started off, and we'll just keep you posted with everything that's really happening on the D Street, right from the early opening action to the trends that the market may be taking right in today's trading session, so that you can take wise decisions about your investments. Let's kickstart with the opening action first. Of course, we opened on a higher note, both the Sensex and the Nifty, but soon we saw some of the gains being paired off right in the opening action. You are now seeing the Sensex and the Nifty turn absolutely flat in today's trading session. If you talk about the opening action first, you will be able to see that the markets, in fact, zoomed in trade right in the first few minutes, first few seconds, in fact, in today's trading session. The Sensex and the Nifty opening higher by substantial points as well in today's trading session. 288 points higher on the Sensex, or half a percent uptake, 54,615 on the Sensex. The Nifty was higher by 77.8 points, or half a percent up at 16,344. 1563 shares were seen advancing right at the opening levels, 531 shares declining, so the market breadth completely in favor of the bulls too. Talk about the rupee, still lower by 14 paisa at 77.68, so still trading lower than the dollar at this point in time. Pressure on the rupee for sure extending. Now, when you talk about the sectors in today's trading session, well, it's the on the one hand, you have the auto names that are zooming ahead in top tier, but on the other hand, you are seeing very, very sharp downside moves coming in on the metals pack. Of course, there is news on that front, but let me first tell you about the levels that you're seeing for these sectors, and then we will come to the news flow too. 6.3% downtick for the Nifty Bank. So you do have Tata Steel, which is now down at 15% lower circuit at this point in time, too. Apart from this, you have Jindal Steel, JSL Hisar, NMDC, SAIL, all of them down almost 10 odd percent in today's trading session. Sharp declines on Hindalco, Vedanta, Nalco, all of them coming down as well in today's trading session. Well, if you talk about the auto index, apart from just one or two stocks, rest all of the stocks are actually in the green. 5%, 6% uptick for Ashok Leyland, 4% uptick for Maruti, M&M up 3%, Hero MotoCorp up 3%, TVS Motor up 2.5%, Tata Motors up 2.5%, Escorts, Eicher Motors, Bajaj Auto, Cummins, Balkrishna Industries, all of them up by upwards of 1% in today's trading session too. The real estate sector also looking good as well. Now, all of these factors are important to understand, and that is because the government has really moved on the excise duty front as far as metals are concerned. The government is finally taking a bite as far as biting the bullet is concerned on the inflation front, and to help ease some of the prices that are getting elevated in the domestic markets right there. So you are on the one hand seeing a lot of pressure in the metal names at this point in time because of that news front, and on the other hand, you do have some impact coming in on the auto sector on the positive side, and on the real estate sector also on the positive side of this excise duty cut by the government on the metal space as well. The good news, in fact, over the weekend also came in on the petrol and diesel front, where the government moved to cut the duties right there. The center cut duty on petrol by 8 rupees, diesel by 6 rupees a litre, followed by several states like Maharashtra slashing the VAT on petrol and diesel, thereby reducing the skyrocketed prices of petrol and diesel for investors. So, definitely that will be a breather of sorts for all the investors to keep an eye out on as well in today's trading session. Apart from this, of course, we will see delivery IPO listing. It's going to be happening on 24th of May. So just keep an eye out on the primary market space as well. A lot of new listings will keep happening, and that will be impacting the investors who had got the allotments right there too. Of course, the gold prices, that's going to be in focus because it has hit over a 1 week high as the dollar has weakened. So keep an eye out on that too. Apart from this, from the commodities basket, wheat, soybeans have edged higher on the weather woes, and farmer oil prices too. Of course, that will be oil. Oil has climbed higher in the tight market. So definitely another point of contact that all the investors need to be in focus of in today's trading session. And of course, apart from this, all the eyes will be on the inputs that we will be getting from Davos. Remember, the mecca of finance, the top business business leaders, top political leaders are all huddled together right there. And our top editors, Rahul Kamal and Siddharth Zarabi, are right there covering the on ground happenings at Davos, bringing you all the latest breaking news as to what these top leaders are really thinking about the current macro setup, beats the sky high inflation, the rising interest rate scenario, the commodity prices right there, and the changing macro dynamics at this point in time amid the geopolitical tensions that continue to impact the sentiments worldwide too. So that will be very important to track, and we will be getting you all the top voices from Davos right on Business Today, and that is what you need to keep an eye out on throughout the day today. You will be hearing a lot of important voices, including Sadhguru, also talking about what he thinks is really happening in the world of finance, economics, as well as in politics as well. So keep an eye out on that conversation too. Of course, the top brass of India Inc. will be with the Siddharth Zarabi too, getting you as to what India Inc. is really thinking about the current changing dynamics in the world. Thanks a lot for tuning in for now, but we'll keep you posted with everything that's passing on D Street throughout the day on Business Today.